Did you know emergency care for dogs recently got easier? The FDA cleared freeze-dried plasma you can store on the shelf and use instantly when seconds matter. Now, this product is different from regular plasma. Normally, plasma has to be frozen and thawed before it can be given. This one, however, stays stable at room temperature, can be mixed with water, and administered intravenously right away, making it ideal for trauma cases, remote clinics, or situations where traditional blood products aren't available. In safety testing, 46 dogs received the freeze-dried plasma in 3 separate lab studies. Researchers looked at clotting, blood loss, and cross-match reactions. Some dogs had adverse reactions like vomiting, facial swelling, hives, and facial erythema, but these were managed with standard care. The FDA notes that the anticoagulants in the product are low risk for causing changes in blood sugar or calcium, and says the potential risks associated with the product are appropriately mitigated. Once reconstituted, one kit provides about 250 milliliters of plasma dosed at 10 to 20 milliliters per kilogram. For critical care and emergency vets, this is a practical new option that could help save lives. Welcome to the Friday Vet Report, where I break down the top headlines shaping animal health. For our next story, the debate over mid-level practitioners, also called veterinary professional associates, continues to spark discussion in veterinary medicine. And last week, the National Association of Veterinary Technicians in America released a statement on their position, officially opposing veterinary professional associates. In their statement, they wrote, quote, "As proposed, this model does not provide adequate clinical preparation and does not adequately recognize or integrate credentialed veterinary technicians," end quote. The association warned that introducing a mid-level practitioner role could risk weakening rather than strengthening the collaborative, team-based model that defines quality of veterinary care. Now, for some context, Colorado voters approved a VPA program in 2024 despite opposition from more than 200 veterinary organizations. Surveys from the same year, conducted by the American Association of Veterinary State Boards and veterinary management groups, also showed that most veterinarians and veterinary technicians don't support a mid-level role, instead favoring better utilization of credentialed vet techs. In its statement, the NAVTA emphasized that the solution should focus on a veterinary technician-centered education and career pathway that builds on the profession's existing strengths. Credentialed technicians, they stressed, are essential to safe, high-quality care, working with veterinarians to protect patient safety, support clinical excellence, and meet the growing needs of animals and their owners. What are your thoughts on the mid-level practitioner role? Let us know in the comments. And last, the FDA has expanded the label for Bravecto Quantum, the long-acting fluoroliner injectable, to include 2 additional tick species, the Asian longhorned tick and the Gulf Coast tick. These ticks can transmit serious diseases, including ehrlichiosis and spotted fever. The product was already indicated for dogs 6 months and older to treat and control infestations of deer ticks, American dog ticks, brown dog ticks for 12 months, and Lone Star ticks for 8 months, as well as to kill adult fleas and prevent flea infestations. That's it for today. Make sure to check back next Friday for more veterinary updates.